Because Munya Yamkania or Maymo. Accra and the Kahompa, Mremia P. Adabraka, Wager, Tessano, Achimwata, Zoru, Legon, Martina, Adenta, Oyarifa, any Memia Pina, any Aquabena, Hachopokwase, Amamole, Ablukumakef, Bebia, Hotumina Tum, and Samanapum. Kenya Horamokwa. Oko Ebri in the eastern region. I want to move to a tree. Northern region, so and part of Aya Central. And if you are Shanty regions, you can net to make us say a pam, the drama, Mumford, Pia and Kanyaniho. Until the Ghana for back on the July 29th, 2026. And no man, you soon said, Rebusa. And the baby, I say to yes, Kumani and crying Tama, Castle baby, Eastern region, Ashanti region, I want me now to and then Edia Yensi and Sakaba Kwakaho. This is the second time within 2 months. And you swim through Ghana. I had him simply one cut of Bontain. I bet you him didn't Yakobanisa. Now for the meantime, dear, you call Agropamasto Bismarck, man busy with Yakrato. Now I said you wouldn't know, young funny same as this year.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
DL Power Sports. DL Power Sports.
Hello, my name is Emilia Probe. You're listening to DL Power Sports.
Hello, Amade share your muson for luxury comic took you to be mute. Sado Power per Sports Papa Petia for feed to DLFM. I want a DL Power Sports. Echegu. I will Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia morning show. Ede Papa Pa near Koso. We are here for Nanyina Sports. No, I want Echegu. DL Power Sports luxury comic. Messi. If I feed into baby.
No, I don't know because you mean one eye. I don't Bonibana Maka. Say, as a mamma, I mean, Casa Yankumu. If you're Munguno, abandoning Yena, and benefit less no mobility, Bonibana Maka. Me Bonibia, oh, I think I couldn't say. Mumina, Munim say, I didn't end what I say. I didn't yet. If you be can, yes, in the Panambuati. Ghana, I did a muchine, no credit. That's me Bobona, yet you'll be 400 cities. I'm Santa, your man about a construction. What you can see, and home answer. What do you catch a prayer about Kupo? I'll find over. Bobina, what's one and won't show a shoe, empty subways, a business. Baba, they are ungrateful over the local management colony, but he relate with family and friends. Coming in the power, position in the power, person in the power, or section in the power, the GFA members, the ECO members, because member of organization.
Say Bismarck man bizarre and I say, Never Quaba. I want fat dear Power Sports. Best for the best one to pay. Bismarck and Pump design.
Of Nhyiraba is one Bibia Boko.
Oh, the young Copan.
Sounds
oh, Yamiadom. Yamiadom. Now, Moncani and I also. Adabi. HD. I'm saying, be a modern deal. And I didn't say, I'm saying, a nationwide. Yes. Because me friend Madame for Bacon Central Region or say, once was a mini province of vote, I say, once woman do. My son through Kumase. Ashanti region say once so this is the second time. Ya kwa darkness. Me sora how much be no miensa no na ya menem ko masa be bia yetum na me ba no wofa. Uni akukudura ntumi mpie sa time no.
Na msu bi na metwen kakra no.
Yes, because I say na nipa yanyi nipa ni. Ohun krom nyina yetum na wo kro no pani obi je wo hwe a ofa hen. Nipa no kra hu nanim. What me identify no kra wo na wadu bone wi.
Ma mentwa aka because me dey madin na ye.
Yes, or twentwen so because say sum ne basa na nipa bonfo na fam. Enti mesre say say wiema yetum sa pem do fo yi wo dey Kachira o boss say onya abotrema kakra because ye mfa nipa nkwa eni agrosa because me ba mbedu kwan ba bi na moto bi esi won mo hu me na otu e na kra basa and I mean, na ope. Na ni bomb so happen to mutu no. Yes. Me nam so no mu sa me free me ho no ma me ba main road no so. Wa park wa kwan ho ba bia wo hu mi happen to mutu no. And na me nim de wo ni tirim ti a wo yes a. What you say enti no ya me na de na say so de aba.
Enti no madum kan.
Yes at na wo no mo de beba. Because I think say ndra some part of kwabenya ba bia mo say ja hye omo post ni bi wo ho omo station ni ba bi wo ho no. Na me nim say no na amana affect the entire nation there, but eno ye ndru asem but for now na akoye nation ward na de mpanifo nyamfa a statement MI, so we are waiting say at an new town on beba na ya magana for who dey akoba ne sa
time nso light ne beba
it's very important
the light na ya mu
I think say enya boapayo na mpanifo be koso to ne mama I think say enya boapayo enti no ye besere omo na mo fan krata amla ne ye mo tewuro na Ghana fo hu de enti a akoba ne sa is very important because ye hu de enti awie ma yetum sa de na adwen ko Ghana nu atua ne kan ya ka na se oneka na beba na se bebia yetum sa na ne nyuma no so be kofo uze esi a ne ye pese ye 24 hour economy ti se kan ne dum sa na ye bohye no entumi nya adwuma so what ya se ti nyanka ne to penifo work on that na akoye second time mama ne nya third na mre sem ne bedi hu komo ma minya ho na nsam wo ntino fa som Ghana fo no pe
right abusiano pa me mo akwa ba kwan so nkoso kramra dia 106.9 mega so emra so agude mu nsam papa ne yade som dwuma di kese esuwe no yade kan se ni da som obia dwuma di ano pan no wo tie nyina fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi kasa no so etimi abefa kunya kese na trema ma godfather Mr. Iceman ano pa babi bi Obia ne yemfa fantastic good morning pa enso entimi mana fa dusu no besima kadu samam bi se mensuma so agude mu nsam papa no yemfa nso dwuma di kese esu na onsan so Mede sana papa Johnny show no live on Facebook sansua and on YouTube ne so dia capital D capital 106.9 and pepe ne make us presentation no audio visual presentation ti yedi komano na ya image audio video audio empokra and we asin audio nyina no and so social media platforms audio so and papa ni kase watre jom and this Jumede and tuma sumia no Mike so coach on kreya esa ebu producer no pa no honest wetimi akuchen sam no agun kata so besma kadu samam bi Mema samna sanso and told me there's no pay and shots here. Lumba super damn on the HR so fright number dear 106 and phone crosso. I'm an income later as exclusive senior. Jamfang one sansu told me there's so and no pay ya shots here and should have fee your fat champions Minoka say playoffs out to and also to genre matches out to a pinato jar when himself sought to catch a clubber. Your friends are like Sasha Academy and Sa on my Tiantislava Brawero Slovan Bratislava and so at a club Francis NK Sarge and then a Kotiaka Bakubako and Obiansu Timisha Nonkuna Hapua Wero Hapua Bia Sheva and so at a future club your friends Saba FK Abo Mekani Mutibako Sanswana Negni Megan and so Trefia Mawero and so a Bodo Glimta Tuamo Equabo Mekani and Somutibako and also a resource and Ra Yensa so after sir me pacho Yofa Champions playoffs no matches out do Pinato Jana Pero yet the sun coming on to Jana himself La Liga Santander Spanish Premier La Liga no and sweat to me as Enra you want big game bakufio with himself club friends Atletico Madrid and Trefio Real Wanda Metropolitano at Malaga Abona Camianu woman Timia Branta your friends Alex Baina and I want go Sanzone Una Branta friends can in lay and also Timina one go to my club your friends Atletico Madrid no pero yet the sun coming on to Jana Jose Marino and your manager the Mario Madrid team no who are quite come washono one can jump and force Aquadana your friends say young Diamante and we young Ninamino almost Timina Brantana Bawasene and also Timaka Zudia so young Brantano and some Brantana money was through bruta and also come up penny friends Jose Marino and so Saka Kra and so for Brante friends Adagula or Sene Akobasa Brantia your friends Luka Modric and Unka Modric team no or Susa Brante friends Adagula and also met me a perfect replacement and so to me a fitter Brante friends Luka Modric Nishus and Asepono me pacho Jumedio Bedia and so Madrid as this season no obey you so Brantano number 8 and also I can send number 6 position and also come up penny friends Jose Marino Menoka so manager the Real Madrid team no and so Kodia for Brante friends Adagula and a Pedison Comaniano and so to Janaya Busanza Brantia your friends Vini Junior and Prestiani Ubaka 20 and they cancel last season during the time of penny friends Jose Marino and so Kwachi Benfica Bakai say UEFA champions again then so league first Benfica enso ne Real Madrid game no e wona say incidents no enso toja Cristiano enso so yesusu say ono so ni jersey enso e katana no kika bi cha brandia ye friend Vini Junior yebusa o say Madrid say who Real Madrid yebusa say incidents no net say was it one masa Yankamo Biantia says, Kwabani said, walk team Bia, and yet, yes, and the players and Pepino, and also 18 opportunity. During that time, no coach club and friends at Benfica, also Portia Brente friends at Cristiano, and I was bomb Madrid today, Obia Subet me a Jatumsa, and I also met me a supporter Brente friends at Vini Junior, no sweat me a catcher Brantia, your friends at Christian and Humadiana, and I know what to do, and I know sweat, and also come on, open your friends at Osa Maruno Mino Casano, or your Real Madrid manager, so one sweat me a Quadano. Sound commando and straight to Janandra big game no and straight to me to one Daria bueno and so Spotify Campumo with himself Basa Trefie and straight to club friends Alale and straight to me no Mirin Dam Sueno Naya dear cancer one Gabba trophy and after 90 minutes a Basa Timno and straight to me as a Kamianuba Alale and straight to me Timba Qua Brantia your friends Abdul Karim Hamza on Timina one go Sanswana a Brante friends Rafinha Bello Diaz and another Belloli Diaz so Etimina one go na Brante friends Zizo any consolation or Edima Alali club and no big manasa resource and you should tell your Spotify company after say club and friends Basa Eshala Timina come here Mutimi Bako and don't share report I mean second of penal yet son common air to Jana proud to some big gamer and no should tell your Spotify company Basa and so Botia club and friends Alalino who himself before say game the Babasono Basa and sweet me a yomu player singing now and sweet to me at the chair first no na massa one incident Baku to draw a Brante friends say Yao cancel Enra Obeka Isemi di Comasa say no and sweat to me I am making a move no from club and friends Alali and I say Ahilamo and so our Saudi Pro League they say well Basa now Sisiano deal no Enyanya complete and as officially Basa and so to me announce no and no Brante ni jersey number 2 no just during that time and not obo loan and so Basa said just a Brante friends say Yao cancel so no and so to me share Edema Basa team no and I said during that time I'm ranting no and so our dog out here say your board you know so one and Taba Park so now one baby fans nice fans so to me abajo so much kakra a Brante just number 2 me baba me twa me di ya bebo me di masa ya fro bi afred ya pe ya fred di ya Brante adwa bruta unim say Yao cancel nra o so money dey ma o nyina nche fans no a Brante na adwa bruta Mike uma me video no na fe ya di san command fans o be join show no live on Facebook capital D capital 106.9 Facebook Samsung na YouTube dia no pero on say Yao cancel ti udi ye di command fe ye nto aso ti Yao cancel enso so ana chese enra chese during the time Barca fans no enso so anasa Barca team no enso team young players and yes na Mike so coach enso the video na to so Yaman Nasrawi bana eka chese masa we modi was masa come for the next we job bruta onu so timi apete Lami Yaman ti Mike come video no ye di san come no enti Brante fans Yao cancel enso ni Lami Yaman Nasrawi bana na pa no Mike so coach na two screens also mani touch we no enso chichire bancha no so dwuma de nse ne esi ano pede san come no enso to ja ni nyina mu na Brante na after say ye ball game ni we say Barca players no so antimi ashomo training kit Brante na shebi aba park no so na say Yao cancel on dia masa we ya de Barca and your pe brutal anti Yao cancel my come me babi amudu park ne so a chese woni wadri one and deskas kan tejina anti Yao cancel de no na say de tie bia pese ne Barca fans so say na wasaba back anti Yao cancel on come no a eno so to John no pede san come no enso to John na wadri one and deskas kante enso so Barca player was started ade cancer ni leadership ade cancer ade cancer we no enso so leadership responsibilities no eno we saw near Brante friends Pedro Gonzalez and near Brante friends Adimola and say Adeyemi Karim enso so jama say Karim Ademi mo am do mo zago ma chinesa Brante no so instruct mo and dey say born ye born mo first mo nye say born there o person o born say o je ballon don be so bro wan say ade kan say media no so pepe ni agro be bro and so advice Brante friends Rodrigo and Descas Kante enso de ma Barca players are pede san commando enso to judgment dey so na bibia enso time ko ka fi fi stories how do ani me na fe yan copy men so transfers how do ani me no ka say club and say we no enso so Brante friends friends Yao Pedro unim so say kadima Chelsea team no and tell me say Chelsea and so to me send Branton contract and do and so June till June 2032 enti yebetimi akabese 7 years Branton and so to me atia so obetimi atra and so di juma na club friends Chelsea and also a later subject and opamekata yadini nyina so to juma de so na bibia and so to me akwankana nsente mabekai somebody komasa Branton friends Paul Billy Pogba no say kadima AS Monaco team no after sa Branton is a picky injury during the time AS Monaco team no and so timi ya preseason no chese hona ana yetimi communicate to a Branton say and we benya say betimi terminate the contract no and so after sa Branton no and so etimi free the balance and semnimo and so touch it down AS Monaco team no kamia say ne made no konken pepe no uba se no so we say prenam so bi ana AS Monaco team no and so timi aya de kan so ma terminate a Branton your friend say Paul Billy Pogba and so ne contract and so bobo kona so report and opamekada and so say kopema Saudi Pro League nimu dia clubs outdo finance di dia Branton your friend say Paul Billy Pogba ji sanso na unya MLS clubs outdo and so say no mo pa Branton your friend say Paul Billy Pogba and your latest update and opamekada ya de san komanya no to judgment de so na bibia and so timi kwankana Inter Milan and so timi any Curtis Jones Branton no no sidi ni juma di man Liverpool team no and tia meeting say verbal agreement no and so etimi awie pay and tia meeting and say in the coming day and say coming weeks no who is a Branton friends Curtis Jones and also etimi join the club friends Inter Milan and Emmanuel reporter meeting and they said 35 million and say euros and Inter Milan so and so etimi club friends Liverpool and also latest and opamekada yadini nyina to judgment de so na bibia and so etimi kwankana Arsenal team no and so etimi akofa Branton friends Ezri Konsa from Aston Villa team as Mike so coach team ne dia ye ka Arteta team are building their no tene say was akofa Ezri Konsa from club friends Aston Villa and tell me it is a 51 million pounds plus of add-ons be and Branton your friends Ezri Konsa and so the free club friends Aston Villa no pero ye de san komanya no to judgment de so na bibia and so etimi akwanka reporter mete and say no pay ya Branton so betimi akwa medical and so Arsenal team ni ma ye de later senior no and so to judgment de so na bibia and so etimi akwanka eno na medical and so Chelsea Branton friends Vicario and so etimi Johnny Juventus team no unim say no say kadima Tottenham team no and tell me things Branton friends Michel Di Gregorio Wano a goalkeeper and so Edma Inter a Juventus team no after say Vicario and so joining Juventus team no a Branton say we so ebetimi free club friends say Juventus ni nyina say ene what one say mo say timi to keeper for front dia masa no ogitum say ene ya come send the presence no and so enye need entertainment and say Michel Di Gregorio and say ene wano so betimi free Juventus reporter mega dan say Olympic Marseille and so say ene betimi akofa Branton no and so latest and Opamega den come no Dodwana su to judgment de na bibia and so etimi akwankana ni ma Branton face Sergio Martinez akwada we esi akan so Edema Racing Santander e was Spanish Premier La Liga name unim say o just 19 years so academy boy and so the man club face Racing Santander last weekend Santiago Bekai during the time Racing Santander so the Bay Area and so the player when o Spanish Premier La Liga first game na isha so akwada we and so etimi nya go we ka ni long range fota ono so etimi bo man ko to etrem no and I'm to be Real Madrid sianka emo biante se so mna kwada no enso etimi adi nkomado echese bibia sesa na se bibia so etimi ansesa na se Branton se nkoma no se ya na bekwadi Branton fence Sergio Martinez enso betimi adwane club fence Real Madrid and your latest update on Opamekada ye de san komanya to judgment de na bibia enso etimi akwanka na Veda Branasa we no RC Strasbourg omo etimi afa kwada na friends Karim Koulibaly onu si akade ma Veda Bremen entertainment and it's 20 million euros na club your friends RC Strasbourg no and so tiama Veda Bremen no pede san komano and so to judgment de na bibia and so etimi akwanka Arsenal so still na omugushwe di akwada na your friends Kenan Jardes echi ne masa Arsenal team ni de echese minimum penny friends Mikel Arteta ne Andra Beta me patro team pa mpeso mi se and so EP ani mu se akwada na your friends Kenan Jardes omo edinachi reporter me se kan pay and say Arsenal say omu value akwada no around 100 million euros in Timasa ukita 100 million euros na kofa kana yildesa bibi biamo be se na se bibiam no abrante no mo sabe timi akanti Juventus player je friend se kana yildes no also so mo de 100 million euros ne o mo de kofa sa abrante no pede san koma no enso tu judgment so na bibi bia enso timi akonka opani a friend se Enrique Rizweno eya Cerezo Torres eya club president enema Atletico Madrid team no wakodi nkomo was it say Julian Alvarez during the time Barca team no enso epe Julian Alvarez so be kai say wotiatua and they were beba train was member preseason games outdo Atletico Madrid team no kobo no ni nyina brante enso antimi amobi was say say wantimi anko wo ye den o so monton say Atletico Madrid say o meto Palma Barca de masa lala o say esa tat no ensi na ni o tenenti na so bi Atletico Madrid say brante friends say Julian Alvarez o monton na when a president je friends Enrique Cerezo Torres o club president Atletico Madrid team no wakwadi nkoma wasi say abrante friends say Julian Alvarez one journey club friends say Barca no when him say ono so betimi apa fans na chewa and I said to say ni nyina mo so ogidie say abrante friends say Julian Alvarez no onya just 2 games per ono so betimi ali say party kan say Atletico Madrid fans no obetimi asa wini o mo hata no so eye nkoma panini so akwadi ade nkoma no dodo na so tu judgment na bibia enso etimi akwa na Mike obema me maade kan say Sadio Mane ni project oya ewa Claudia Kansas ni gama ni mu sese ukopiem enso ewo kro ye friend say Casamansa eno ewo Senegal reporter mete and say Sadio Mane say what the idea can say huge agro industry project pa enti weno 500 hectares ana branta na asasi yantampa wono so atimi akoto ewo ade kanse Senegal mamu Casamance wana watimi akoto sa ade kanse asasi yantam no enti ametin say eye fruit na obe produce enti wo be produce fruit na so wa process enti production and processing nyina be koso enso so ewo sabia maza Sadio Mane ndi obomaden ene okopiema wa Senegal mamu Sadio Mane nyama wa ya no ene hospitals outdoor schools outdoor ni nyama ade kanse nso outdoor so tutu enso Mane for the massa no tene enti bambali de say Sadio Mane e mana ye city an say free ade kan say village na say bay city say there be dey do ne say ade kan say fruit ade kan say production enso betimi akoso e ade kan say sa krom no so eno so e latest I mean say ka reporter and pemigada was say juma de mama say every year beer on betimi produce 50,000 tons of fruit so was biawe enti masa Sadio Mane ndi obomaden I say ene ade kan say shoot no over 2,500 and obetimi produce ade kan say job enso etimi dia monti Sadio Mane dia masa football no enya say wo body talkers ni rollers ni baby girls outdoor and otimi ade o machele and say odi o di o musika Sadio Mane project outdoor ye enso de Mane man for Senegal Mane masa ekwanka brutal no so eya nkoma akra say latest and opayen say kedi nya no enso tu judgment de so na bibia enso etimi akwanka enra during that time Atletico Madrid enso ni mala team no enso bonese doing at some point in time Atletico Madrid fans no enso so etimi ayusu swears ni bi ede tonyom enso echa kwada na friend say Julian Alvarez ni nyina say atuatua no so tie say obetimi akọ Barca no ni nyina mu masa say their fans na dwa abrante friend say Julian Alvarez brutal unim say no swears ni so timi toja omote say nsem ne de sabi yentimi enka enso already kase so ni nyina say Atletico Madrid fans say abrante your friend say Julian Alvarez where sound of BB1 enti na say no de masa mututu bi mane abrante no brutal and I'm na Diego Simeone manager and so the club friends Atletico Madrid yebu say fans no san yemo nsema no mu ya kira koda na friends Julian Alvarez so fan say yenim so be defend this player no was every time bia the fans are right enti ya come here say coach no kura and so timi adwa brante friends Julian Alvarez and opedi san koma no and so tu jana Pep Guardiola kwedi nkoma me no ka say after 10 years afa and Pep Guardiola and so twi no free football mu unim so asi football ntia na ni wife ono so timi awari 35 years baba na say mami pani no so timi agya ni nyina say at some point in time massa Pep Guardiola ni de one players out do pina no mu din koma o say 2 am nyina na yourself Pep Guardiola from contact shamo Pep Guardiola say do baby no na say akoye normal routine na say ade kan say ordinary routine o be so na po be ko training 3 days or bon match o say massa do baby no say that be bien we motivating say ono so betimi akochi our highest level yentie yourself Pep Guardiola ni chiremu
It's 10 years, you know, same routine, same games, and every 3 days. It's like eat spaghettis every day. So then I felt, I love my job. Still now, I'm retired temporarily. I love my job, but it's a moment that you feel, okay, take a break. So otherwise, everything is like predictable. And life had to be doses of passion, doses innovative things, doses of and many things. And I felt, and I had 1 more year contract, so in terms of that, I could stay, but I had the feeling that I didn't have still the energy that require to be at the top or try to the demanding that you have for every 3 days.
Why Joseph Mario Pep Guatola and come on so do ya at Eti and Chemwa, what about as to how and after 10 years on also say Wabetran Chan went me to us and Quachi Club will be an also a Kakra and a pay and sales also a dinner tutor, and what you made us and a brand fence Yano Black, and your goalkeeper Edima Atletico Madrid Tino. Enra onyane 400 appearance ewa La Liga and one be first ade can say foreigner and as a foreign goalkeeper and so our Spanish Premier La Liga nima ono so etimi na 400 appearance the master goalkeeper in the morning board con can bruta a brand tell me don't come Jano Black ono and so first foreigner ono so etimi APL La Liga nima on so etimi na 400 appearance and a Pedersen come on and so to unim say be the 11th goalkeeper ono so etimi na 4 ade can say 400 appearance and so Spanish Premier La Liga nima no yade san komanya no to jana enra madi koma se pa Barcelona team no enso etimi yomu players nyina enso etimi echiro fans at some point in time Edu Frankie de Jong so na say ye yini PMasa fans ni bi hu na say omu hu abrante ni brutani nyina say come here so odo Barca fans no enso we ma brante friends Frankie de Jong no come here say aye bibi owo enti anam so bi enra me patcho during the time of fans and say Barca team no enso unveil brante friends Frankie de Jong ahead of next season idea can say teams and say ahead of next season no next omu so etimi twetwa brante no so bad news and no so toja enso Spotify company no pero yade san command to report amete and say Barca team no grant me amfananka captains no and the captains how do I board ni bia Rafinha Monese ya on the first captain na fe ya bo bi te Pedro Gonzalez as deputy Eric Garcia na fe omo Barca abrand difference Frankie de Jong Barca team na so antimi anka se ne ano so ka captains no ano so yankoma ka fi oba di nyina no and so to command the get dos nemom Emrani Kopa Papanti, ye yenya tinsi from Nafe, if it's a mon common, ye yam for Mesum, na yam for last story, and so ewa man and common Nafe, yam refit dia. Openia, your friends, Richard Gallic, a see you Edema Arsenal team. Unim said last season, na Manchester City, among so air court case be, and a penina sell resi concerns as to how, sa case no, and so I was in a bonus so. Esan se ene empanifon so ntimi ma ye hu sania sa case ne ekwa no ana brante no so ana se opaniwe enso so siki for ade kan se awe no enso so ye audit kase pa enti wase omo emu nya se omo so betimi a kire mas to hawa sa case no enso so ekọ esan se Man City hu nya se masa financial ade kan se case omo so ewo court no ombetimi akyeremu yena yahu sene yakwa no enso Richard Gallic CEO enso de ma Arsenal team no ono so consensus anopai wa rezi enso so sa dwumadie no yede san komanyina no tudwa on this note amana ni komanyina no yemfansi ne yentinsi form kan getters Lumba super de kamanyina no na yemfa mesomo
Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip. That's super break. Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip. That's super break.
Hello, my name is Emilia Probe. You're listening to DL Power Sports.
Now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world on HBO pay-per-view, ladies and gentlemen, from Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, let's get ready to rumble!
DL Power Sports, DL Power Sports, the one day, the general, that day.
tabu so agusua sinkonya so no pa ya gude mu nsem na yede som dwumadi kese suwe no eya Anidaso Obia dwumadi achichi ni banche ba bibia mo ni dwumadi no I still deal 106.9 ofa adusu no afisa mo nkoma no yemfa nso na before se be sha se na mami di Lumba nso pa wa dan central se nso nwa so abadwama so Obia enso agya tumba bia be fa bia de nso we ana se yaso no so dwumadi bia se no wanya Lumba nso pa ni bi wade amasa na se dwumadi no eno nso antimi anwemu de Lumba nso pa nko a ana ba bia be fa bi Obia nso timi abubwa bi o ma dama egusu asinkonya so no pa obadwama ma no na se ba bia wo no chese dwumadi bia wo di no nso atimi afrem panifo na wonsan so atimi aka Lumba nso pa ni bi o ma no eye 0549889685 0549889685 and I said 0549436616 0549436616 Lumba Zupa and Penny Foreman and Media to Joma Dama na egusu asinkonya so no peno agude mu nsem yade ni nyina no enso so etimi ensomo ewo dwumade so yen hyase enso ewo fisam nkoma ne dia me no ka se opania je friend say Ayite Powers where former boxer na me no ka se the Ghana police enso so ehwehwe no ni nyina se wono so atimi akokeka nsem bi afa the Director General adema National Sports Authority opania your friend say young perform crown in last year and I say this year early this year ma bia and I say young perform crown and then the directorate also our band box ni nyina say obeka is a brand ba kwa na no boxer baobali yakọ bone brotro brand no enso etimi eto ni benkum so and I say oda ni benkum so me no ka say waka nchinigu ya nam so bi na NS no enene ministry no enso eba benkum say na omo so etimi de tabo ato boxing so ewo kromu ana before say sa tabo ne be ma na Ayite Powers ni promotion omo so ya arrangement a when invested in sika shema ene ono so say or the boxing bout enso so eba so enti affecting na money promotion ama so na osi okọ minister honorable Kofi Adam so say mama boxing na me promoting na ama so de ne mo fa me sika mama osi minister say onim wo hwe enti onko NSA director Jean Paul Franca okọ ya waso me no be kasa ena usika no beba ochiro be frena na me meeting say ana osi masa wa Jean Paul Franca bona e kam ya say ni sika ndi on peso betua after say ni promotion no amaso no na onim o ka kire no obetuntuo yenti Ayite Powers no an nkomo die
Yao Ampofo. It's only your name I will call. Oh. It's only your name I will call. The sports minister, Mr. Kofi Adams, I won't call his name because Yao Ampofo, when the thing will happen, I go and see the minister. When the thing will happen, one way to my promotion, when this thing will happen, I heard that you are coming to ban boxing. I went to the minister and the minister said, Mr. Powers, I don't know what you are talking about. Go and see Ampofo. Go and see Ampofo. And I kept to you.
Enti na se ono ne nkoma no nti ka ene no sidi anka obeti se I will shoot you bi wo nti ni nyina mu no de ye be pena ye de no nso ma me pese be se bosre mi ka bi o kan I will shoot you o go to pray adjuma na din wo ye baba na ye de san ne nso ase atimi ama nti no enso so Ayite Powers ne nkomodi anam so bi me no ka se de Ghana police o mo hwe Ayite Powers na se waba na watimi aba yi ensem bia no atimi adama ye san se ene ye ma ho kwan se nso betimi attract obi life say no so ye nkoma efi oba edi nyina no enso etimi de ma na nim say nyame adoma 28th of August the biggest fixture Ghana hane the Clash of the Titans and I said the Ghana version of El Clasico Accra so folk any Kumasi Asante Kotoko na we no eye Democracy Cup ebeto dwa ewo Kumasi baba ya go pama so ya ka kire say DLFM ye the live commentary enso so ebesomene empanifo enso so e the ticket price no abamonte me no ka say am say popular stand eye 30 Ghana cedi center line eye 50 Ghana cedi and a VIP eye 100 cedis enti ticket price no for Democracy Cup Kumasi Asante Kotoko any how to folk anene omode say dwumadi no enso abamonte no pede sankoma no enso atudwana no pay ya ukopie menso pram dia we eye 32nd edition of Congress GFN no kwasitra Congress omukobobo ye Ghana football no and as to how our blasters ni court tournament omuntimi enwini sanso na Black Queens sanso kwa na kwajagu and national teams no dodo na court ade kan se tournament a entimi enkwankan and GFA na se Ghana football no and also ntimi mfa ne mtoma pa emfra GP ano and also so kwan ye befa so na teams no enso so ebo games are fans enso etimi akohwe hwe na mo amukọ no club owners ni ade ade mo nkwa ye no na mo nsa ma na mo meka ana we na ye na we mo nkwa kan de ewo mo boso de a betimi aye ana said ni asefata ese efe ni ye na football no so fan ntuma pefre no nti ana ye frem congress na se mo nkwa kasa why mo kwa mo kasa why yesre mo amma football ni ye nti ano so ye nkoma etodwa nti ano so ye latest a eba na ye for last story ni so na fe ye so dwuma de nse sanse mene ko wo fa nya trase Nhyiraba Sammy bi wenya trase na coffee break is over. Odro David a former player de my Dreams FC. Unim say na our Barca Athletic Barca team B no. E wana David Odro enso edi ni juma. Mentia meeting say Barca ese omu ebeton no. Enti dia mete and say Aston Villa fo nyina enso etimi de omu agim. Enti after say omu make it no permanent for 2 years no. Aston Villa say omu nya brantia ye friend say David Odro dia metin say no enso ebeye loan ntia wo benya say David obekọ Aston Villa na ono nso etimi akobo EPO no bi on this note agure mu nsema boabo nyina no yem fancy kan katasi Lumba super yenda Lumba super say sa brano brani bia no mutimi ekọ em afa dwuma de nyina wo ka no mutimi so ase no yi omo no mutimi edi twa so fra fly number DL1069 enko phone cross ya di latest ne ba fei yes artiste former the fisam nkoma no enso de by Mike so coacher eye producer on duty no kroya ana na ube pm on Facebook YouTube ne so a images audio nkoma na ye di nyina no omo nsa ka video ne images nyina no na dama ana de san nkoma no enso etimi ni by ma Mr. Afume ka umbi sanso a ana Jesse Michael Awuno DCK Brante Kenneth Tata ana for abora the fancy Englishman anoni mu nyina enso ka umbi na Besima Kadusi amambi se me betre men so e de agude mu nsem no enso e de bai na maka cho se nyame aduma 28 ye kokuma se ye the democracy cup no comment to be ba na when ye ka se akwanya ba ma adwumakuo bia se na upese uton udwumadie bia o DLFM dia betimi abana watimi abeso sa adwumadie na asenti kakra bi we na bone da from papa wo de wo frem panifo a na se wo so atimi anywhere dinsa wo so enti wo ba kakra bi na se watimi ne panifo so atimi adin komo na fe no ade kan se sponsor ma be sponsor ye fa ho mani tudwa na fe se wo pese wo ye dwumakuo bia na nkra bi na pese wo sponsor sa adwumadie na wo frem panifo be jo so kakra bi na se watimi eno madin komo 0555 274757 0345 274757 wo frem panifo ahoman so wo ye dwumakuo bi na nei wo pese wo betimi abo dwumadie bia ho dawro e wo DLFM dia na watimi afra ahoman na se mbacho so na bibibiam no omatimi eno wadin komati wafa anopa mami fancy na tete newspaper review na discussion segment nyina no momfa ento Ghana for so
meda se pa me wafa se mam bize Besima Kadusi Sano pay what they kwa dear passports first half juma die no what they abesmene juma dia wutie no ya tudin se
Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia
na Enquires ma ufia ha enche obetene nka ene so nkomo pene de gu apono so betena se na ye de nkomo ndra uhun se na me wo fa se eye Sammy Jamfi e ba modern be press conference concerning allegations ahodo ba bonten e free me wo fa se Alexander Finyo Mark ni dom kuma no ho kirem say wono mo abo my Ghana kasusuro enyasem kuma no so nkomo no anapay ye bewuram kakra na ye di ho nkomo na ade ande nsam de pina de gu apono so na potupuru enkra ye free gridco empanifo nchen ba kirem say enyinam nkane a ate akwa ne ye nya nkane we ye fiefiem ni nyina no eye power outage bi a eno ne ye 40 akosomo voter transmission line intemu kirem say ye 40 akosomo voter transmission line na akofo ha wonyina dia bente no enya bo apaye kram wa mu kirim se akosombo ene voter wanam transmission line ne boa ma yensa kanyinam kanea no chimata kakra ba ho na akofo ha wonyina edi aba enti senkanea na kwa na nye bo apaye kra enti emerete mu nso no ye be wedi in ye di won komo kakra dia so pempen so dey Daddy Lumba wo se wonya dan anope wo hya bo anka be bo ayemfa ne se mu na sisi a
DLFM 106.9.
All the